Hi kids, so let's start with chapter 3, exercise 3.2. Yeah, you can see the figure over here. So we have to find the value of x, and you can see two exterior angles are given and the third exterior angle you can find. So there are two ways in finding that x, value of x. One is all, as you know, the sum of the external the sum of total of all external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. That means 125 plus 25, 125 plus 125 plus x will equal to is equal to 360 degree, according to which property the sum of the measures of external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Correct? So if you add, what you will get? 250. 125 plus 125 is what? Yeah, 250. 250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. That is, x is equal to 360 minus 250. So the answer you get is 110. Okay. So this is one simple way to do this sum. The other method you can follow is, you can see linear pairs are formed, and the total of linear pair, as you know, what property? Yeah, the linear pair properties, it should be 180 degree. The addition of both the angles together should be 180 degree. Now if you take this first angle, so 1 is given 125, so inner will be what, kids? 180 minus 125, that is 55. Similarly, next one also you'll get interior angle as 55. Now kids, what is the formula for exterior angle? Exterior angle is, you can find x by exterior angle property is sum of opposite interior angles. Okay. Now see, for example, x is the exterior angle, which is the opposite interior angle, the one measurements which you got 55 and 55. So sum of that will be your x. So that is 55 plus 55. The answer you get is again 110. So there are two methods. Whichever you feel easy, you can follow. Clear? Okay. Now see the next sum over here. Here also you have to find the value of x. Clear? Now kids, you can see 90 degree, 90 degree already given. Perpendicular signs already given. So if one is 90, other will also be obviously 90, because total should be 180. Correct? So what the answers you get is, add all the angles. All the sum of the measures of all exterior angles will be 360 degree. Correct? Yeah. Either you go with linear pair method or you go with the sum total of external angles. Both the methods are perfectly right. Yeah. What you can do, kids, if you take linear pair, okay kids, so now just find out all the the total of all this thing will be external angles. Total should be, yes. What you need to do is find the value of x. Now sum of the, now you know this is 5 sides are there, it means it's a pentagon. First and foremost, because it's a pentagon, you can easily find the total measurement will be what of all the exterior angles. Correct? Yes. How? Number of sides -2 multiplied by 180, so that is number of sides are 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180, what's the answer you get? 540 degree. Correct? Now you know the total, and you easily found out exterior angle. One is given 90, one is 60, one is 70, and another is also 90x. Correct? 60, 90, 70, x, 90. 5 is equal to 540, and just find the x value, subtract it and all, and you get the answer. Yeah, this is the way you will get the answer. Clear? Now kids, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Now over here kids, it's said it's already hint is given, it's a regular polygon, means all the sides, all the angles will be equal, correct? Now 9 sides. First of all, if 9 side you find the, and you want to find the measure of each exterior angle. So for that, first of all, you should find out the sum of all the exterior angles, which you can easily find out. How? Number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180, correct? So that is 7 multiplied by 180. So you got the sum measure of all whole this polygon with sides 9, that is 1260, correct? Now if you want to find the individual angle, exterior angle measurement, you just have to subtract, you just have to divide kids. You'll divide by what? Sum of interior angles, that is you already found out, and upon number of sides given. So each angle you will get is 140. Clear? Same way you apply for 15 sides. What you will do kids? 15 sides means what you will do? Come on, tell me. Yeah. What you will do? 15 minus 2 multiply by 180. That is 13 into 180. So 13 multiplied by 180. What you'll get the answer kids? That divide by 15. That is the measurement of each exterior angle. Clear? So try out these sums. Next we'll continue next session. Yeah, till then, bye bye, see you.